Class of 2026 Hall Enshrinement Ceremony, a night of tributes, memories, and life lessons. The Class of 2026 Hall Enshrinement Ceremony delivered an unforgettable night filled with emotion, gratitude, and powerful memories. The prestigious weekend was not only about celebrating legendary careers, it was also about remembering the people, relationships, and life experiences that shaped these remarkable journeys. One of the most touching moments centered on Don Nelson, whose legacy continues to inspire generations of basketball fans and players. His contributions to the game were remembered with warmth, highlighting not only his achievements on the court, but also the lessons he shared throughout his remarkable career. Candace Parker's story brought another deeply emotional dimension to the ceremony. Her special bond with someone she described as a brother became a powerful reminder that basketball is about far more than statistics, championships, and individual awards. Behind every great athlete are relationships, sacrifices, and people who help shape their lives. Throughout the ceremony, tributes celebrated the determination and resilience of the class of 2026. Their journeys demonstrated that greatness is not achieved overnight. It comes through years of hard work, setbacks, perseverance, and an unwavering belief in yourself. The evening also offered valuable life lessons for the next generation. The honorees showed that true success is not simply measured by trophies or records, but by the impact a person leaves on teammates, fans, family, and the sport itself. As the class of 2026 officially took its place among basketball's legends, the ceremony became much more than an awards celebration. It was a powerful reflection on friendship, sacrifice, leadership, and legacy. For basketball fans around the world, the night provided unforgettable memories, and a reminder that the greatest legacy is the inspiration you leave behind.